Have a look at our passion fruit. We've got 2 trees and look, it's started to wilter. That's a sign it needs more water. So I've got the sprinkler running on this passion fruit here. It's been running on there for a while. I'm going to put it on this one here now. This one here is in a lot worse shape. So what we've done is we've pulled all the fruit off this one and hopefully we can save it. But we have had about 4 days of 45 plus temperatures this month. So the garden hasn't done very well. You can see the grass looking pretty dry. One thing that's interesting is over here, these gardens are doing well because they've got the reservoir of water underneath. So they're doing well. And then just around here, again, plants show that they're thirsty. That's where we need to water them. So you might say, hey, this lawn's pretty long. Well, it is long, and I've kept it long for the moment because it's creating shade to the leaves underneath, see, like that. So we've had lots of days of above 40 degrees. Today was 46 degrees Celsius, that's 120 Fahrenheit. And it hasn't rained for over a month. And we haven't been home, so we've been on holidays. So hopefully with a bit of sprinkle of water now in the sprinkler, we can revive some of this. One of the things that we have focused on is our lemon and lime trees here. You can see it's quite thin now. They're espaliered ones. I've shown those before in other videos. I'll give them a good drink as well.